Find the Laplace transform of e to the negative t times cosine of 3t plus e to the 6t minus 1. So we can break this up using linearity, where it becomes now the Laplace of e to the negative t cosine of 3t plus Laplace of e to the 6t minus the Laplace of 1. So let's look at the first one. We can call this term f of t. And the reason we're doing this is because we know from the property on our table where the Laplace of e to the at, where a is any constant number, times f of t, it becomes f of s minus a. So for our case, we have e to the negative t times our cosine of t, which we called f of t. All this means is that when we do our normal Laplace of f of t, lowercase f of t, when it becomes uppercase f of s, all you have to do is subtract a, and we'll know down the line that'll be negative 1. So now, Laplace of e to the negative t times f of t, where a equals negative 1, that simply becomes f of s minus a negative 1. And subtracting twice, that means you're adding plus 1. So now when we do the Laplace of cosine of 3t, all the s terms become s plus 1. So let's do that. Laplace of cosine of bt from our table, where b is any constant number, is simply s over s squared plus b squared. So for Laplace of cosine 3t, we see that b equals 3. So plugging in 3 for b from this fraction here, it becomes s over s squared plus 3 squared. Therefore, it equals s over s squared plus 9. We can call this f of s. But we still have to apply this s plus 1 term. So these two s's here have to become s plus 1. We'll say f of s plus 1 equals s plus 1 over s plus 1 quantity squared plus 9. Now let's move on to this Laplace. We can see from our table that Laplace of e to the at, where again a is any constant, that equals 1 over s minus a. So for our case, e to the 6t means that a equals 6. And plugging that in, it's 1 over s minus 6, given that s is greater than a. Now for the last one, Laplace transform of 1 from our table is simply 1 over s, given that s is greater than 0. Now we have everything we need for our final answer. Putting them all together, f of s plus 1, if you recall from before, was s plus 1 over s plus 1 squared plus 9, plus this term over here, 1 over s minus 6, and then don't forget that we have this negative sign here, and that becomes minus 1 over s over here. And that's our answer. I hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.